Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Excel. Uh, an important function, convert, we will try to use today. The use of this function is you can convert one unit of measure to another unit of measure. Let's take an example. Let's say, for example, we have inches. We need to convert these inches to centimeter, millimeter. So let's say we have 12 inches, right? So now we have to convert this 12 inches to centimeters or millimeters. Excel has given one function for this. You can click this function and you will have this convert function. Okay. Okay. Now here to get the details of it, you can click this help. I will show you different units and you can come down and click this one. Okay, here you have different unit of measures, what you will enter as a parameter. So let us take the measurements here, which is distance. So we have inches, in shortcut, and then we need this is meter, and let us try with mm and cm. Right. Okay, I think they haven't given here. So there are different type of conversions. Square feet, byte, centi. Oh, sorry, it was there. Centi, no, this is centi. Kilo. Or meter. No, it is not there. Anyway, let us try. But you can get from here the details. So I will select 12. Then here from is my inch, right? And 2 is, let's say, centimeter. Let's see. Okay, and same we will do for millimeters. So I will click here, click this one, inch to millimeter, right? Done. So now you can change here. Let's say, for example, if you put 24, 2 feet, 48, whatever you will try, and it will be automatically converted, right? And you can say, let's say, for example, from millimeter to inches, you can convert as well. Okay, right? Let's say, for example, let me put it here, inches. So now I will convert these above centimeters to inches, right? So again, function convert. This is my number now, centimeters, from centimeter to inches, right? Okay, 48, excellent. And then again convert millimeter from mm to in, right? That's it. So it is concluded. Okay, now if you see here the help, you can find other conversions as well. Few I just suggested here, the way how to use it. Let's say you have grams, tons, meter is m, foot is ft. Okay, sorry. So these shortcuts you have to consider. This from unit or to unit, right? So let us convert from inches to meter, right? Just one more example. So here I will say meter. Okay, again same function. Okay, you can put it here like this way as well. So if I will pass these as a parameter. right? So I don't need to remember. Okay, convert this. This is inches, right? So from will be inches and to will be meter, right? So I pass this as a parameter as well. And now I just need to copy because see, because all are same, so our conversion will be same. So these are meters. So I can change from here. Let's say 50 inches will be how much meters? 1.27. And you can have different measurements, right? 50 inches. Okay. Okay. 100. Okay. Now you can convert meters to inches. Let me give you an example here. Convert. Okay. This is, let's say, meters. So from is meter and to will be inches, right? Okay. 100. See here we had the 100 inches. We converted to meters and meters to inches. And this is how you can use this convert function. It's very useful, especially when you are dealing with measurements. I hope you liked it. Thank you.